AI is making decisions about hiring, banking, healthcare, and even government services. But here's the question nobody talks about. Who audits the AI? And why are companies suddenly hiring a new role called an AI auditor? Stay until the end, because one certification is helping define the future of AI auditing. An AI auditor independently evaluates AI systems to ensure they're fair, secure, compliant, and performing as expected. Think of an AI auditor as a quality assurance engineer for artificial intelligence. Instead of testing traditional software, they test AI models, algorithms, data quality, and decision-making systems. AI systems can hallucinate facts, produce biased decisions, expose sensitive information, or generate unsafe recommendations. As AI adoption grows, governments and regulators are demanding accountability. Companies can no longer simply deploy AI and hope it works. They need professionals who can independently verify that AI systems are trustworthy. Here's a real concern. What if an AI hiring system quietly favors one group of candidates over another? An AI auditor's job is to uncover hidden bias before it impacts thousands of people. In some regions, organizations can face significant penalties and compliance issues if AI systems fail fairness requirements. That's why AI auditing is becoming one of the fastest-growing areas in AI governance and assurance. An AI auditor typically tests AI responses for accuracy, identifies hallucinations and misinformation, evaluates fairness and bias, reviews security and privacy risks, assesses compliance requirements, documents findings and recommendations for stakeholders. Their goal is simple: verify that AI systems operate responsibly and as intended. For example, an AI auditor may submit medical prompts to an AI chatbot and evaluate whether the responses are accurate, safe, and aligned with approved guidelines. Any misleading, harmful, or non-compliant response becomes an audit finding. The good news: many AI auditing skills already exist in software testing, test planning, risk assessment, defect reporting, analytical thinking. Then add AI-specific skills such as prompt engineering, bias detection, model explainability, AI governance, and compliance testing. If you're already a software tester, you're closer than you think. Your testing mindset, attention to detail, and ability to identify risks are exactly what organizations need in AI assurance roles. For many QA professionals, AI auditing could be one of the most natural career transitions in the AI era. Professionals entering this field often build expertise through certifications such as CISA, AIGP, AI governance programs, and the new ISACA AAIA certification, created specifically for AI auditors. The combination of auditing, compliance, and AI knowledge is becoming increasingly valuable. AI needs trust, and trust requires people who can verify, challenge, and audit AI systems. That's where AI auditors come in. If you're interested in AI testing, AI governance, and future-proof QA careers, subscribe for more practical AI career content. And tell me in the comments, would you transition from software tester to AI auditor?